Hey guys, I'm back again, and I gotta show you, and there's like something around going on in my neighborhood. There's a lot of ash around here. I'm sorry, this is not a volcano. But I thought it was a volcano is about to get born. That over there looks like a tornado. It looks like another tornado in Los Angeles County. It's very big. And I don't believe it. I'm sorry guys, if you are in England, you can't see this. If when you're at the Los Angeles County, you can see this. And firefighters had to put them out. They're working very hard to like put them out. There's no fire engines. Where's the sirens? Sorry, I'm not talking about nuclear air raid sirens. There's another part. I didn't see ash everywhere. I'm sorry about it, guys. Oh yeah, it's over there. Very terrible. This is one of the scabbers. Putting this on YouTube. And comment below to know what you think what it looks like to you.